In this video, we'll talk about logos. You can add two types of logos on your website, image and text. These are usually placed in the header and act as a brand identity. All the templates contain logos by default, but you can change them to your own. For that, click on the logo in the header and select a type, text or image. If you chose text, you can type in your own brand name, then work on the font. Navigate to the Image tab and upload your own logo. After you added a logo, move to the Behavior tab and select a click action. You can also control the logo size. For that, simply click on it and drag the handle. Also, the size of the logo may be affected by the size of the container where it's located. Still, there are some limits to the logo size. If it doesn't fit properly or doesn't look the way you want it to, edit the image separately and upload a new version.